In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Klarna on Goat. If you're a fan of Goat and love snagging the latest sneakers, this guide will show you how to use Klarna for an effortless shopping experience. Klarna allows you to break up your purchase into manageable payments. Let's dive in and explore how you can leverage this feature on Goat. To start, head over to the Klarna website and look for the section specifically designed for Goat. Klarna has a convenient buy now, pay later option, which is perfect for sneaker enthusiasts who would like the flexibility to pay over time. Once you've navigated to Klarna's dedicated GOAT shopping page, you are on the right path. There's also a helpful link to direct you there quickly and efficiently. Next, it's important to understand the process of paying with Klarna on GOAT. Klarna's payment plans allow you to split your payments into 4 equal installments. These installments are interest-free, which means you're only paying the actual price of the sneakers without any added costs. It's a simple and transparent way to manage your finances while still indulging in your passion for sneakers. When you're ready to make a purchase on GOAT, proceed to the checkout page. Here, you'll need to select Klarna as your payment method. This is crucial because it not only allows you to enjoy those flexible payment options, but also streamlines the checkout process by consolidating everything under your Klarna account. Simply click on Klarna at checkout and you'll be guided through the setup swiftly. Once Klarna is selected, you'll be able to enjoy their flexible payment options. Klarna will present you with the opportunity to pay in 4 evenly split installments, typically every 2 weeks. This gives you the chance to effectively budget your purchase over time without any additional financial strain. This option is ideal if you're looking to maintain financial comfort while buying high-demand sneakers or apparel. Finally, one of the standout features of using Klarna with GOAT is the ability to manage all your payments and purchases in one centralized location. Klarna's app or dashboard provides an overarching view of your transactions, which helps in keeping track of your spending habits. Not only does this make it easier to monitor payments, but it also offers peace of mind knowing each purchase is organized and accessible. There you have it, a comprehensive and easy to follow process of using Klarna to pay on GOAT. This seamlessly combines your love for sneakers with smart financial planning, allowing you to enjoy your purchases with more flexibility and ease. Thank you for joining us today, and happy shopping!